What up, everybody? Sam here. I'm doing just a low quality, quick update on my stem cell treatment that I did in Tijuana. I had stem cells infused on the 22nd of May as well as the 28th of May. 100 million, like fresh, never frozen ones, both days. Then it was like stromal vascular factor injections as well as like placental extract, and then there was a bunch of other IVs and hyperbaric oxygen. And when I first did the treatment, I felt much better. And the reason why I make these videos is to not just document my recovery for myself, but in the hope that if other people see this, like they can also take my anecdotal experience and better themselves. Because if you've been suffering with vaccine injury, long COVID, like I have, it's pretty rough and there's lots of ups and downs. So I felt a lot of relief. The pain that I had been waking up in for years is now gone or was gone. And I felt a lot better, was sleeping better, felt more energy. On like the Sunday after my treatment, because I got the first treatment on a Wednesday, I walked like 8 miles around the city of Tijuana, which was the most I had walked since I initially started having health issues. However, after getting back here to the States, my health just went way down. I started having some downturns and I started looking it up and like doing some research on things. And I hadn't changed anything else and I had already lived here for a while. So, like, it's nothing in my environment, I wouldn't think, or nothing in my diet really. If anything, I started eating healthier once I came back because if you're in Mexico, it's not always the easiest to eat healthy. Don't always have the options available. But apparently, when you do stem cells, the first few days after, you're going to feel some relief because it lowers any sort of cytokine responses. It's going to reduce inflammation, give you more energy, make you feel better. However, after a few days, it says 3 to 5 days, your immune system really starts to reboot. And if you haven't cleaned up your house in 3 years, when it first when you first go to clean, there's going to be a lot of stuff and a lot of deep cleaning that needs to be done. I've obviously been doing lots of detoxing and healthy things for my body over the last few years, but the analogy I use is it's almost like my the cleaners have been turned on and now it's doing some heavy duty spring cleaning. Um, and I've been feeling like horrible downturns, like liver and kidneys have been hurting. I've been sleeping like there's one that I slept 12 hours, which is very rare. My deep sleep has doubled every night from like 1 to 2 hours, which is good, but it tells me my body's definitely working on something. And I've been having like I was violently nauseous and throwing up yesterday, lots of pain, dizziness, fatigue, brain fog, shakes, all my typical symptoms that I have when I'm detoxing. So I've been taking lots of more binders, activated charcoal, things like that. But apparently, you're going to go through this sort of initial upswing after stem cells, then you're going to go through a downturn as your immune system goes in to address issues and get things out of your body. And my hope and what I'm confident in is that after my body expels a lot of that stuff, I'll be feeling much better. So I'll keep making these videos. I know there's nothing special about them, but I want to do this for myself and to hopefully help other people. Because if you've been dealing with this, like, it's hell, man. It's so bad. There's some days you feel damn near fine. Like I told you, the day I went on 8 miles of walking around the city felt pretty much fine. I was like, wow, I think I'm finally over this. And then feel like absolute just death a few days later, just horrible. But it's all part of the healing process. You got to get the bad stuff out of you to get better. That reminds me, I've been having some insane dreams and night terrors, which is all part of a Herxheimer like detox reaction, at least from what I'm used to or learned so far. So yeah, I will try to be better about posting weekly updates, maybe every other week when I have a decent update to share, and just document my recovery and my anecdotal experience. What I want to do is after a few weeks and my body getting more, say, used to itself, I want to help my body with detoxing by doing some pretty heavy fasts and some detoxes. Like I bought the Detox Dudes like course and like supplement guide. There's like Wellness Warriors Detox. There's a bunch of ones that are like lots of herbs and stuff to help your body push things out. Probably do some more ivermectin and fenbendazole. Again, I'm not a doctor, but yeah, just all stuff I'm looking at that once my body kind of gets out of this downturn, I want to keep the healing going. So yeah, hopefully this helps. If you're also suffering, share it with someone that you know might be having some long COVID or vaccine related health issues, and hopefully this helps them. And I'll be posting more updates. So thanks for tuning in and have a good one.